it's Ninja Joy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first episode of a new series, Ninja Joy on the Road. Today we're going to the Hoover Dam on our way to the Grand Canyon, so I'll see you there. We have made it, and we are parked and heading out to the Hoover Dam. I think I found the biggest warped wall, probably, ow, that was hot, probably ever. Cue the dramatic music. I'm kidding. It's the Hoover Dam, guys. So one of my friends from school literally ended up coming, basically doing the same vacation that we are, just a couple days earlier. So she's still, I think she's in Utah right now, but she came to the Hoover Dam when she got here. So she's been sending me pictures and I'm gonna try to recreate her pictures. So currently we're looking for the same little lookout point that she took her family picture at. And yeah, so that's fun. We found the spot that my friend just took her picture a couple days ago, sent it to me. We're gonna try to recreate it. It's right here. Update. We just went for a casual stroll from Nevada to Arizona. Just, you know.
And back.
Usual things. Oh yes. We decided to peace out from Nevada, head over to Arizona, take a few pics, vlog a little, and come back to Nevada. Hoover Dam, check. Now a 4-hour car ride to the Grand Canyon. We are going over the bridge that goes over the Hoover Dam. Dad, do you trust your driving skills enough?
To drive on a bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's very disappointing.
wow!
That is a bridge flaw.
That's a beautiful dam. Sorry guys, that was pretty anticlimactic. All right, welcome to Arizona. Woo! We're heading to the Grand Canyon. Woo! I don't know if you can see it, but those, right there, are like little dust tornado things. So we are currently driving down Route 66 and like the little town that the Cars movie was based on. So we're just like driving down, there's a little like Cars mural on that wall right there. And it kind of does, like it does kind of remind me of Cars. That was a car from the Cars thing. That's Mater. Oh my word. Huh. That's kind of cool. You're photobombing my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
We are at the Grand Canyon and we are currently on Rim Trail walking up to try to see the sunset over the Grand Canyon. So we are trying to figure out our way, going up a steep hill, but it'll be fun, so I'm excited. We are almost there. Almost there. Am I gonna get copyrighted for singing that song?
Only if you sing it really well.
Lies. It's not 800 million years old. It's cactuses. Cacti. I've never seen cacti in real life. Should I touch it? I'm kidding. I'm not that stupid. We've been here for days. They're like on the lens and it's like foggy. Yo! Oh my word. Go off the trails. It's the next day and we are walking to, what is this called?
Powell Point.
Powell Point. And it is like dead silent out here, which kind of freaks me out. But anyway, so yeah, that is what we are currently doing. And there's a wonderful canyon there. That's like a straight up drop off right there. There's a bird flying. Can you see that? Whoa. I hope the vlog saw that. So you step down and then it's literally just the edge of the canyon. Like that is the end. And then it just drops off. I don't know if you can see it. There's a squirrel. Hi, squirrel. I'm gonna name him Bob. Hello, Bob. How you doing, Bob? Oh, he's not running away. Okay, he ran away. We have arrived at the abyss. It's quite dramatic if you ask me. Is it bad that I thought abyss was spelled with an O? Totally just on the canyon right now. This part does not have a rail. So Isaac's being super safe over here. But that's crazy. Like that's literally just a drop off. Subscribe to Ninja Joy! Next stop is Pima Point. So we just tried to recreate my Instagram profile picture. That's like maybe 3-4 years old. So I did my jumping flexing thing with the Grand Canyon behind me. So that is what we did at this stop. Our last stop on the bus tour thing is Hermit's Rest. We found one more place on our way out. And it's like a straight up lookout. Okay, folks, it's been a little bit. We are on our way. We're driving on Desert View Road, I think?
Desert View Drive.
Desert View Drive. And we'll be driving down that and looking at more of the canyon. Update, we stopped at something called Duck on a Rock, and it does not look like a duck on a rock. No, it doesn't. We're gonna try to find a better angle to see if it actually looks like a duck. When somebody says duck on a rock, you think duck, not a rock. No, it doesn't. Supposedly that is the duck on the rock. Okay, we are at our last stop on the Grand Canyon, and we are at the Desert View Watchtower. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe down below and turn those post notifications on so that you can get notified every time that I post a video. Hope you guys liked this video of the Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!